Hi, dear viewers. Welcome again to God's Mission channel. I hope you all have a great day today. And with us, we have Vijaya, who will be sharing more things with us. So, welcome to the show, Vijaya.
Thank you so much, Neha, for inviting me once again. Please proceed with your queries, Neha.
So, Vijaya, today I want to ask you one thing. During your troubled times, you mentioned that you went to known people, prayer people for help. So, didn't you go to big people, big pastors, or there's so many organizations, right? So, didn't you go there?
Yes, Neha, I went, and usually what happens is that big people, if you want to reach them, it is very difficult to reach. They will not be accessible so easily to the people. We need to go through some mediators or some known people in order to meet them. So I
Okay.
and my sister went to Chennai. That time, this pastor uncle was very famous in calling the names of the people in the big meetings. So sister said that it's better to go to that pastor uncle, and we may get some help, and we may get some what is the solution for this your sufferings and all that. Let us know. So in that order, we both of us started, and we went to Chennai. And there in Chennai, he has a very big organization, which almost it equals a big village, where they run the university, where they have the big prayer tower, where they have the big accommodations, dormitories, and where so many prayer warriors will be praying for the people, hundreds of people daily. So we went there,
Okay.
and we told them to pray for me. So they prayed for us, and after that they told us, Sunday this main uncle is going to come to that place so that you can meet. So we went, and we sat, and we met, and simply he said that you're just suffering what you have not done. That's it. He did not, he just smiled and he left it off. And then from there we came back, and again next day his son was about to come. He came there, and there also he just kept his hand, and then he just passed by. And nothing, no solution was there, nothing. We were very much disappointed, and we came back without any help. So
Okay.
this was my situation. I was in doubt, Neha. When the person is able to call names in such a big crowd, those who are really have the issues and all that, how can know anything about my suffering? Whereas God is showing me, I'm a very small person. Nothing. I don't have anything. I don't have organization. I'm just a student who was preparing for competitive exam, career building. In that case,
Okay.
his dad was speaking to me. Your condition is this. You're going to pray, and then I'll give you victory. So I was amazed, that why he's not able to tell me anything. Then again, one more incident I want to tell you, Neha. I was at the bus stop, and there one fakir person was standing there also. He was continuously staring me. So I was so disturbed, and I just moved away from that place to some other place. Again, he followed me. Then immediately I got angry, and again I moved away from there also. Then after some time he approached me and said, "Beta, galat mat samajhna mujhe, and you are suffering so much, and you are in such a big witchcraft. I'm able to see completely what you are going through, and because
Okay.
Jesus dad is with you, they are not able to crush you, otherwise you would have been killed by this time. Your Jesus dad is always with you, saving you." And he told me, Neha, that day, very big and very dirty they have done. I am only
Okay.
asking at instant, how can they do such a dirty thing to you? That means he told me indirectly that they wanted to hand over me to the men. Okay, whoever,
Okay.
that also I observed, Neha. when I used to go out, when I used to walk, the men used to see me very in a very aggressive way. I used to get scared and I used to rush. So God showed me that one day this is all due to that you have to be inside the house. You should get scared. If you go out, the men will attack you, they will destroy you. And if you are inside, your qualification, your people at home will not allow you. You need the job to survive in this world. So this too, my condition was sandwiched.
Okay.
So it was in that condition. So that fakir has told me that you're in terrible. I cannot explain. And he closed his eyes and he asked, took out that some verse and name, and he told me in front of me and me only, how can you do such a very dirty thing? People will do witchcraft, I'll agree. They'll do for financial effect or they'll do for some other reason, but you have done her character only. You people are attacking directly her body. You made it like that. So he told me,
Okay.
then I asked immediately, okay, you are telling so much, no, why can't you remove? He said, nahi beta, I remove nahi kar sakta because my boss is the one who has done this. I am not having that permission to go against him. He said me.
Oh, okay. So, viewers, you heard Vijaya's story about how she, tried to get help from people, but it was of no use. It is very heart touching and at the same time very sad to hear this, Vijaya. I should thank you for sharing this with us.
Thank you so much, Neha, and have a blessed heavenly kingdom life and love you all with Jesus Christ's love. Thank you.
So, viewers, we have many more such stories coming up in our upcoming videos. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Thank you and bye bye.